Ideally located just a quarter-mile from the beach in one of Del Mar's most highly sought-after neighborhoods, sits this incredible property, 327 12th Street. With 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and over 1,500 square feet of living spaces, you can enhance or create your custom dream home and enjoy endless, unobstructed ocean views from the master bedroom, living room, and front yard. The possibilities are endless. Take a short stroll to Olde Del Mar, where you can find charming coffee shops, trendy boutiques, and world-class dining. Enjoy oceanfront shopping and rooftop dining at the Del Mar Plaza before venturing down to Del Mar Beach for some fun in the sun. And just minutes from Del Mar Racetrack, you can delight in the year-round festivities at the fairgrounds. Don't miss out on your opportunity to create your masterpiece in beautiful Del Mar.